Welcome back, foodies. Today, we're making a fantastic summer dish, Floridian shrimp salad. So let me show you the way, and let's get started. If you're starting with raw shrimp like you see here, you'll place these in your convection steam oven at steam mode only, 200 degrees for 9 minutes. I'll have additional details in the description of this video regarding that. Once you've steamed and peeled your shrimp, I chop them into perfect bite-sized pieces for this salad by cutting them along the natural indentation on the back of the shrimp like you see here. Next, we're going to make the base sauce for our shrimp salad. You're going to combine the mayonnaise, the ketchup, and the pickle. And if you're wondering if we're making a homemade Thousand Island dressing, then the answer is yes, we absolutely are. I can't stress enough to you how you do not want to buy the stuff that's already made. It just will not taste the same, I promise you. Once your base sauce is mixed well, this is where you're going to add the shrimp and the egg. And for those of you with a keen sense for attention to detail, yes, I had to change the bowl. The glare off that stainless steel one was serious, y'all. So I'm still learning. Thanks for bearing with me. Once you've combined the shrimp and the egg and the base sauce really well, this is where you might want to add a little salt and pepper to taste. Once you have this amazing shrimp salad all put together, I would suggest at least refrigerating it for an hour before eating, because that will really give it time for all the flavors to blend together. Then you can certainly eat it right out of the bowl as is with some crackers, or you can serve it up as a stuffed tomato or on top of some leafy greens. Enjoy! You enjoyed today's culinary adventure, and if you haven't already, please like and subscribe. As always, thank you for watching. I'm Eva, the Steam Oven Diva.